So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we have brought you with very good opportunity at NetApp, which is the global leader in the IT industry. So are you ready to start your tech career in a great company? If you are a fresh graduate or have up to 2 years of experience in software testing, automation, or DevOps, then this opportunity at NetApp is for you. NetApp is a global leader in cloud and data-driven solutions, and they're hiring for software QA engineers in Bengaluru. So this is your chance to work with cutting-edge technologies like AI, ML, cloud, and virtualizations while boosting your career with a top-tier company. So are you curious about job roles, skills required, salary expectations, and how you can apply? So stay tuned. We will be, covering off all these things in this video. So let's start. So the role of this particular job is going to be of software QA engineer, as you can see, and the company is NetApp, as I mentioned, and location of this particular job is going to be Bengaluru. Now let's understand the overview of the company that they have mentioned, that how they have made the history by helping the customers to turn the challenges into business opportunities, and that business will bring new thinking to the age old problems. So they have just mentioned their visions and missions. So now let's directly come to the about section of the company. So as they have mentioned that NetApp is an intelligent data infrastructure company. So they are basically a data driven company, and they turn the world of into opportunity of every customer. They basically provide the better space for the customers in short way, if you want to say. So they just drive the information from the data and help the customers and client to work with that. So now let's directly come to the job summary. So as you can see on your screen, they have mentioned about the company that NetApp is a cloud-led data-centric software company, as I already told you. So this is all about the company that they have mentioned that yeah, it's the best working on AI, ML, generative AI domains, building solutions, all this. So now let's directly jump to the job requirements. That is skill sets you required to get eligible for this particular role. So as you can see on your screen, they are just expecting you to have a very good understanding of SDLC, which is software development lifecycle. And along with that, you should have the knowledge of data storage, virtualizations, VMware, Linux, AI concepts. You should also have the hands-on experience with Python or shell scripting or both, along with exposure to Docker, Kibana. That would be preferred because these are DevOps tools. So, and along with that, you must have developed, modified, and executed software test plans. And you should be passionate for learning the latest test technologies like Selenium, all these things. So to also have the ability to work collaboratively with a team environment of other engineers to meet the aggressive goals and high quality standards. So these are going to be around the responsibilities or requirement at NetApp. Now let's understand the educational requirement for this role. So as they have mentioned, the education that you must have a BE B.Tech degree in computer science or related field only. You should have a technical degree in Bachelor of Engineering or a Bachelor of Technology, or if you have done master, you should also you are also eligible either M.Tech or MS or anything, and up to 2 years of experience in testing, planning, designing, and automation are allowed. So if you are having 0 to 2 years of experience in the particular field, you can apply. Even if you are a college pass out and fresher with around 60 to 70% of the skills mentioned, you are good to go. So as they have mentioned that it's a equal opportunity employer, all this. So they just want to say they don't differentiate anyone on the basis of race, um, color, and all this. So that's it all about the company. And responsibilities, you can just guess it from here that what you would be doing at the company. So you might involve into developing and executing test plans, working with Python, shell scripting, using technologies like Docker, Elasticsearch, and Kibana. You will also have to collaborate with other developers to identify and fix the bugs. You will also be ensuring the high quality software release. So I want to just give you a brief idea about the expected salary for this role. So since this is a top tier company, so you can expect the salary anywhere around 7 to 12 lakh. That again depends on your skill sets and the experience, because they have mentioned 0 to 2 years of experience. So your salary would be dependent on that. So why you should choose our NetApp? So as you'll get to work on cutting edge technologies like AI, machine learning, cloud computing, etc. You'll also get a very good career growth opportunity in one of the global tech company. Along with that, you will also get the hybrid work model, uh, great flexibility, comprehensive benefits including health insurance, paid volunteer time, and professional time also you will get to develop you professionally. So uh, if you can apply to this particular role, if you think that you are eligible for this role, and I would be mentioning the link in the description for the same. So at last, I would want to say that if you are passionate about the software testing, automation, or cloud technologies, and then the software QA engineer role at NetApp is an amazing opportunity for you. Don't miss out on the chance to work with a top tier data infrastructure company and grow your career in the tech industry. Like, share, and comment if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more job updates in data analytics, AI, and join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups for job alerts and free certificates. So that's it from my end. See you in the next video.